Now we're going to move on to the soldering of another type of integrated circuit in a package known as a TO5.
Again, we have a number of leads to deal with. When they're all in place, they are cut to the proper length and soldered. Here again, notice the light touch used and the painting of the solder each time. The iron is moved upward and off to cover the end of the lead with solder. This is the preferred result. Good wetting action and the outline of the lead still visible. And on the component side, a proper amount of solder has flowed through the hole and there's good wetting of both lead and pad. Let's watch the action one more time and count to yourself the number of seconds on each lead once melting has occurred.